I'm Carol Nicholson. I live in Balfron. I have a Stihl power saw, strimmer and hedge cutter, all battery operated, amazing gadgets. You just don't need a gardener, you don't need to run out of petrol, you just plug them in and on you go. No excuse to stop working. Same battery does all. You just charge it, and 2 batteries are ideal if you have quite a few tools, so that you're always able to use them. And always remember to charge your battery when you leave your machine for the night. Fraser Robb is great. They service all the local villages, and so they're just well situated. Location's perfect. They are a reliable company. Service is second to none, and very pleasant. Always there for you if you have a breakdown, and I would recommend them.